Dear students, welcome to technical drawing session. So here now we are going to use draw a cube, then draw circles onto those cubes. So I'll explain to you the required materials to us. We need a ruler, a set square, pencil, and of course an eraser. So these are the required materials for us to complete this task. A set square, a ruler, then of course we need protractors also. Protractor, this is called a protractor, which is used to measure the angles. So these are the things that we require to start. So first of all, what I'll do is I will draw a line. You can see it from my screen here. Just don't think of the length, just draw a line. I'm drawing a line here. You can see that the line is very light. I am drawing it in a very light fashion. Drawing a line here, it is very light. I am marking a point anywhere in the line. Anywhere you can mark a point. You can see the point here. This is the line. Line is very light. From that, I am using my ruler. Just I am drawing a vertical line which is 70 mm, which is equal to 7 centimeters. You can see that. You can see here it is 7. So I'm going to draw a line which is 7. So first is 7. So I have completed this, a vertical line of 7. Next what I will do is, first you need this thing, protractor. Keep it in this point. The center should come here. The center should come here. And now you check when it is 0, exact point here. Now you have drawn the line here. The 0 should coincide with this line. Here also the 0 is here. Here also you can see the 0. It should coincide with the line. And now I am going to take 30 degrees. So here you can see 0, 10, 20, 30. 30 degrees. Above it you have 140, no problem. 30, exact point. Mark a point here. Mark a point. Similarly, here also you have 30. Just mark that point there. In both sides, 30, 30, you mark a point. Then take it apart. Now, what we are going to draw is, just put your 0, this line, make sure it is having here. Then try to coincide with this point. Try to coincide with this point. So you can see that the 30 degree point and this point is coinciding. So you have to keep your ruler in such a way. Now you need to draw a line 7 here. So you can see it is 7 here. Draw a line up to 7. Similarly, the same thing here, what you should do is just keep 7 here. You can see that. Just keep 7, coincide it with 7. Then here you have the point. We are going to draw the line again 7, starting from here up to here, up to the last point. You can see that up to here. This is 7. So this part is now complete. The next task is going to be, so you can see that this line is dark this line is dark, this line is dark. Now whatever line I am going to draw, it is going to be very light. First, what you should do is, you should put your set square aligned to this line. First, put your set square aligned to this line. Put it, hold it here, hold it. Next, put the ruler here. Put the ruler here. Now, what you should do is hold it. Then, I'll repeat it again. Just put it here. Just put the set square here, aligning it to it. Then put the ruler here, ruler onto the side. Now we are moving. Now we are moving, and to the end of this line. Go to the end of this line. I'll repeat this. Align your set square to this line. Keep your ruler here onto the end. Then move it to the end. At this end point, you need to draw a line which is very light. Okay, draw a line which is very light. It should be very lighter, very light. This line here is very light line. Just draw it, no length is needed. Similarly, now you are going to align your set square to this line. Align your set square to this line. Keep your ruler again. Now you are going to move it here. Move it to this end. You can see the point here. Yes. Now you draw a line. Now leave it. Draw a line. Mark here. So once it is complete, you can drop the extra bit of the portion, or else you can just keep it as such. Then you can just darken this. Make it dark. Then again make it dark. The next part is easy. Now again take your ruler. You can see I'm going to draw a vertical line 7 upwards. Now it can be dark. Draw a line 7 upwards. You can see it is dark. From this point also, you can see this newly made point here. From here also, draw 7. From this point also, we have here a point, the same 7 is taken. So it is vertical lines. Make sure it is straight line, straight vertical lines. Now you need to join all these lines. From the top here, join it. From this point to this point here, above, join it. From here to here, you join it. From this point to this point, just join it. Now our cube is complete. The next step is to draw the circles onto this cube. So next, remember, listen carefully. So first part is, I will draw a circular part here by using freehand. First we need to draw the diagonal from this point to this point. Make it lighter, don't draw it dark, make it light. Make it light. I think now you can see this. So this line is lighter line here. Similarly, onto the opposite side here, you make a lighter line. Yes. So both of this line meet at this point. Now just keep aligned to this line. Just keep it aligned to this point. Move above. The joining point of these two lines is there. Here. Just draw a line here. And now you need to draw a line from here also. For that, the easiest method is total is 7. You just mark 3.5 here. Just mark 3.5. Mark 3.5. Again mark 3.5. Below also. Here also you need to mark 3.5. Now join these 2 points just like that. Join it. So now you have this line, this line, this line. Now the easiest technique to do is just from here in the ruler, just take maybe 2. You need not do anything, just take a distance. Here also just take a distance accordingly. Just mark a point, that's all. Similarly, just make a distance here in the line here. Just make a distance here. So these are all the points that you need not have to count on. Then from here, just draw an arc, draw a curve like this, touching here, then touching onto this side also, touching onto this side. Just it is a curve, make sure it is a curve. Similarly, also you are going to do this, the curve. Yes, let's draw a curve like this. Yes. Now from here, through this part, just complete this curve. Yes, just complete it through this part. Similarly, from here, you go through this curve, just complete it through this part. So this is freehand drawing, so your circle may not look exactly the same. Once it is done, just complete it, that's all. The same technique is followed here also. Draw the diagonals. So this is the same diagonal. I'm keeping it just like that. Then this point, straight line, and from here also the straight line. Now you can see, just mark a point here, draw the curve, just draw the curve. Yes. Similarly, you can mark a point here, just draw a curve, Just draw a curve like this. Then here, just mark a point. Let's draw the curve. Go through this point. Yes, up to here. Similarly, mark a point here. Draw the same thing. Draw a curve. Then, yes. So this part is complete. So again, you have to complete onto the top also. We'll do it. One diagonal is always there. You just need to draw this diagonal. Let's draw this diagonal. Then draw this portion. Then upwards. Draw it here. The same procedure is applied. Mark a point here. Then draw a curve. Similarly, mark a point here. And from here, draw a curve. Yes. So then here also mark a point. Here also mark a point. I'll rotate this in half. So to this last point, I'll draw it like this. Yes. So you can see that the technique is complete. So we have three circles inside a cube. So this is how we draw it.